In this video, we're going to take a look at Hi3D.ai, where we'll go ahead and take images and turn them into 3D realistic models that we can use for building studies or background buildings, and even turning furniture images into furniture that we can use as a 3D model. So I'm right here at the Hi3D.ai website. And as you can see, we can immediately get started with the image to 3D, the multi-view to 3D, etc. And by the way, if you want to go ahead and test this out, you're going to get free credits if you sign up from the link below. I'm going to drag and drop this image. We already have a background here, but we're going to click remove background. We can do image enhancement. Let's do a fast model type. We have obviously higher quality ones. We can choose geometry and geometry with textures. We can keep private license and we can just click generate right here. And as you can see how all of the different choices you make actually make a difference in terms of how fast this is generated. So right here, we have an estimated time of 5 minutes for this generation. Basically, you can see that this generation here costs 25 credits. With just $10 a month, we get about 1,000 credits. It's about 40 generations per month, which is a bunch. And it's very easy to also add more on top of this. But once again, if you actually sign up from the link below, you get free credits that you can use and test things out with. The other cool thing is that we can also do multiple generations at once. So I will go ahead and I will upload these elevations right here into the application. And then we're going to click generate on this as well, because I think this is a quite cool use case, just uploading elevations and seeing how this will turn out. All of these, we'll leave them as they are, and we will click generate on this as well. So we have one normal image, which is pretty basic in terms of just a home. We have another one where we upload all the elevation and then turn it into 3D. Then let's just start another one where we have a more organic looking building. So we'll click generate on this as well. I will go ahead and upload a furniture piece, which I think is also a very cool use case. I will click generate here as well, and I've just put the highest quality possible for all of these. And then finally, let's just do an apartment building. Let's go for quality in terms of model type, and we will click generate, and then we'll be right back to check all of these results in a few minutes. Okay, so if we get started right here, you can see that this is a pretty good 3D model of the home based on the elevations. You can see it matches quite well, and it's a pity that I didn't have more information regarding the materials and everything else. But other than that, I think it has captured everything pretty good. Obviously, this is not something final, but it's quite good for like lighting studies, for even using in backgrounds, or even as any sort of 3D model. The other part is right here where you can see that you can do multiple different passes in terms of the materials. The albedo material, you can just do the normal map. You can also have the wide diffuse as well. And then if you're not happy with the generation, you have 3 free retries for the model, just like we have here. And not only that, but you can also download with any of these formats, which are basically applicable amongst the most popular software that we have. Now, at the same time here, you can see that we have the geometry information for like the vertices, the faces, and everything else. Then next up, we have a building with curves, which is a lot more challenging, but I mean, this is still very cool. And I mean, you can easily just download this and put it in your 3D model in whatever way you want this to be served. On top of that, we can also do something in the edit mode, which is more so with sculpturing and actually editing the geometry right here on the browser, which is pretty cool. I'm not going to get too much into that, but you can see that we have some Boolean operations, some connection structure, whatever these smart tools are with like the measuring, the cross section, and everything else. But I think this looks pretty cool. I do find a lot of useful use cases, especially when working with like larger mass projects. We can also send this for like 3D printing. We can also split the parts here for easier 3D printing as far as I'm concerned. And then we can also share this with anyone, which also earns credits if you do share that. But I think this came out looking very good. It has done a pretty good job, even with the curves and the more organic shapes right here. Okay, so now, I mean, if it could do that, then this clearly is a piece of cake in my opinion. So we have just uploaded this armchair, and it has done a pretty good job overall. There were parts where the texturing wasn't visible, like this part right here, and also the structural parts here are with wood, but this was done in metal. However, this is very easily editable. I mean, the main thing, the geometry was done pretty nicely. I remember back in the day, like when I started this, it took me, I think, a full week to model a very organic shaped sofa, and I think now we can do that just in a few minutes. with just uploading the picture in AI. And I mean, it's crazy how far this technology has come. Once again, we can just download this and use it on any of our projects. And then we have also done a apartment. This is mostly for like surroundings, as I said. You can imagine if you're doing a project, for example, right here, to have some more accurate surroundings, you can just upload pictures of like surrounding buildings and everything here, and then just place it in your model, which is very cool as well, because you can also check how much shadow this would cast onto the building that you're working and everything like that, which I also find quite cool as well. And then finally, we also have the simple image of this building right here that we had. The only part where I see it could have done better is in terms of the shingles, which has done all metal now, but other than that, this is pretty accurate, even though we didn't have data from all the sides that it needs to. Now, if you actually want to try this out, you can go ahead and get free 500 credits from Hi3D in the first link below, and it is the biggest promotion for the anniversary of Hi3D. This basically includes discounts for up to 80% off. This saves a lot of time and enhances your workflows. So go ahead once again and click the link below for the free credits. And if you want to see more of this, go ahead and watch the video right here.